Morning again. Guys, okay down. Welcome to my vlog. Ayan. Nakapagluto na tayo nakapag-isa na tayo ng chicken curry. Ayan, pinapalambot ko. Yes. Ayan, ating chicken curry. Ito yung